understanding risk management for contractors and working with your insurance broker. So risk management is the piece. So an insurance broker comes in and they place policies, and a lot of them are just policy placement people, and they're very good at what they do. And they can do the applications, and they can get them out there, and they can get them all back and show you the cheapest price. And some are really good at understanding the different types of coverages and the different forms they're written on, and that's really, really valuable in saving money and making sure the coverage is correct. But that's policy placement. The other piece is if we do risk management. And risk management is where we come in and we partner up with you and your company, and that we actually are working regularly to prevent claims, to possibly, if there are claims, helping close those out, and then making sure that we can get your rates back down to an A-class rating, where you could be as first class in service under your premiums. So the difference between the risk management and an insurance broker that understands it is knowing that they're not just selling insurance, they're not just placing insurance policies, but they're also coming in and they're bringing in services and values to help manage your insurance and your risk so you can be more successful in your company. And they're looking at your business process as a whole and trying to look for any possible risks that we can mitigate and lower. So that's kind of important. I mean, that's really important when you're running your company, that you have a broker that understands that process, not just submitting an application and getting the best price back. And the other thing is, when you're working with a broker that understands risk management, a lot of times they're sitting back and they're not just submitting an application to an underwriter. We actually sit back and we actually put a story together, where we come in and we actually explain your history, we talk about the purpose of your company, and we actually get the underwriter to understand who they're really insuring. Is this guy, what's his drive and what's his history, and how did he get here? These are really, really important things that actually help us get credits on insurance and help us make you more attractive to be insured, because the risk and the character analysis that goes through that process is just laid out in front of them. The one thing I want you to understand is that working with a professional broker in construction isn't just about placing insurance policies. It is also about having a risk management program in place to help lower your rates, stop claims from coming in, and help you through your audits and help you manage your certificates of insurance, and doing things that can make you more successful. Because ultimately, us as brokers, when we're more successful and your company can grow, then it allows us to actually grow with you and be successful just as well. And that's where we work together as a team, and we come together as a partnership. And my goal is to be a trusted partner inside the construction companies, inside your company, and being valued at a level where I can come in and see a difference, and I can see a transformation in the company, because we were able to implement procedures and software and things that can really help and hopefully save a life, stop somebody from getting injured, and prevent any big general liability claims of any construction defects that could have happened. And the other thing I wanted to say about risk management, ultimately protecting any loss of money. And that's really, at the end of the day, what we're trying to do. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out any of my other videos. If you have any questions regarding this subject matter, please contact me or email me. Thanks.